Hi, Roylin Downs with Berkshire Hathaway, and today I'm excited to share with you 2635 Poli Street here in Ventura. This is an amazing house that is over 4,000 square feet and on almost half an acre. And it's really unusual because it originally started out as two different properties, and the current owners have merged the properties into this beautiful estate. So I just want to share it with you. So let's get going. All right, here we are. This is the front of the house, and it is fairly unassuming, but also quite elegant. So we're going to, you can see the width of it was originally two different properties, and I'm going to go in and show you. Here we are in the entryway, how it was kind of pulled together. So here we have some French oak travertine, French oak floors, and we've got some travertine as well here. And this is the living room, which does have beautiful Milgard windows and Hunter Douglas coverings. There was no expense spared on this. It was a really nice quality upgrade. The homeowners uh, updated this in 2006, 2007. And so you can see beautiful sconces. Everything kind of matches throughout the house. These gorgeous um, glass crystals that are just stunning. One of my favorite chandeliers is in the dining room. So I'll make sure you get to see a peek of that. Let's take a look at how the room, it's really light and bright. You've got recessed lighting in here. We're looking back toward the front door, and then you can see the dining area, the eating area. This home has a formal dining room as well as a in-kitchen eating area. So we're gonna head over here. You've got lots of storage, and then we'll head over here. And we're going to start with some living area. So here is an office that is a kind of a really bright and lots of storage. It's got a nice patio over here, which you can see right off these French doors. And then this will lead you back to the rest of the house. And here we're going to go into the first of the 4 bedrooms. And there are 6 bathrooms in this home as well. So here we are. It's a very spacious bedroom here. You've got an office, kind of desk area here. You've got the bedroom. And then you've got your bathroom in here. So you're going to find quality work throughout. You've got granite counters, tile in the shower. And then as you saw here, this beautiful view of the outdoors. Everything is light and bright and really kind of takes you not, like you're in this closed up room. It's really kind of spacious. Now this is the master, which I just love because you've got these French doors leading out, and you've got this gorgeous bathroom here. Again, you can see the tile, you can see the counters, so you don't have to share, which is always nice for me and our household. You've got your bath as well as your shower. But the wonderful thing here is you see you've got closets here, but you also have this amazing dressing area. And so you have one dressing area here. Again, plenty of storage. And I don't know, you guys don't know me and my closets, but this would almost be enough for me. And then you've got another closet area. Whoops, Sorry, got a little close there. And you can see actually this used to have the laundry, and there is laundry ability to still be put in the master suite, which would be very, very convenient. Um, but notice the floors, the wood floors here, the tile floors here. It's really lovely. And as I mentioned, the crystal chandeliers, the sconces, um, they all, they're Schonbeck. I don't know if you know of Schonbeck crystal chandeliers. They're throughout the house, and they are just stunning. Really add a touch of elegance to the home. And then we're going to pop out here. And the fun thing is, you're going from this elegant bedroom, and then you step outside, and you've got these amazing areas, living spaces outside. So here you have one area that you can kind of hang out outside. And then you can come down through here, and to the right, which we can't really see a whole lot of, there's a nice huge area where the owners had considered putting a pool. So you still have a large grassy pad right there, but there's another seated area just past that grassy pad. But this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. It has kind of like a game room, family room, great room kind of feel. And you can see it's kind of separated from the house. So even if you have like gatherings here, you could be in another part of the house and not even know what's going on back here. So you've got some water, you've got games, you've got tables. I believe this is a door to the garage. Access there. You've got an area where you can have some food and serve food from here. But it's a really nice room with protection from the elements, but feels like you're outside. Let's pop outside and see what's outside. So as I mentioned earlier, it's on a half an acre. So this will take you all the way to the back to the barranca. And you can see here there's a bit of a skate park and kind of a area for kids to hang out. You've got this grassy pad right up here, and as I said, to the left here is another kind of area to sit and hang out. But you also have this wonderful little guest house back here. So if you have guests, or if you want to do yoga and you want to kind of be separated from the rest of the house, I'm someone who's doing some writing. It'd be a great little writing retreat. So at the back of the property, you have this really nice little cottage. So let's go back to the house, and we'll go through the great room and head back to the rest of the house. Now I want to show you this little area over here. So we were taking a peek, and we see the fire pit and everything here. But what we may want to do is just look at it from a different angle. Let's pop over here. And you can see the opposite side. We were hanging out over here a minute ago and looking toward the fire pit. Now we're looking where there's a barbecue here, a workspace. This is the family room, which we'll come around to in a little bit. But this is the other side of that beautiful seated area. And instead of going in through the master, I'm going to jump in right here into the kitchen area, and we'll head back so that you can see where I'm at. We're at the front door right here, and this is where we went down into the bedrooms. Here's a half bath. So we've seen 2.5 baths here. And then we can go into the formal dining room. Now this is where my favorite chandelier is. It's got lots of beautiful colors. But this is a great private dining room off of the kitchen, so it makes it very, very convenient. As you can see, the travertine floors are carried throughout, the Hunter Douglas window coverings. And you can see this is a really nice 10-person table. You've got room for more even if you wanted. And so this is the dining room. And we'll pop right into the kitchen. So granite counters, tons of space, working area, a wolf stove here. You've got lots of room, sub-zero refrigerator. Really a wonderful home for entertaining. And then you can see your less formal eating area over here, which again, walls of glass, opening to the outside, allowing all the light and bright in. And this is where we popped out through the French doors to the outside. So you've got this nice storage area here. Kitchen, dining room, living room, and then you can see we're looking out to the front. So actually that was the backyard, sorry about that. Here we go. We're going this way, down the hallway. So we're gonna head into our third bedroom right here. So you've got this beds tucked away here. You've got lots of storage. And again, a desk area in the bedroom. Then we can go into the bathroom. Again, you've seen this tiles consistency throughout. You've got the counters that match the other bathrooms as well. And then we'll head down to the other bedrooms. So far, that's 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Now here is our 4th bedroom. Light and bright windows that face the street. Again, you know, the mill guard with Hunter Douglas coverings. Here is our 4.5 baths here. So again, walk-in shower, beautiful granite on the counters, wonderful cabinets, quality workmanship throughout. And then we're going to head down to the last bathroom is here. Oh, did I get the bathroom? Yep, here we go. I think I missed the laundry actually. So here is the half bath. And I'm going to pop back here a second. Here we go. So this is the current laundry room. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to store and keep the house organized and do the laundry and take care of the household from here. So in this dedicated room, which is the laundry room. All right. Again, walls of windows, bringing all that light in. Just so lovely. And here we are. Now this room, it's interesting. It's a little bit darker, but you can see why. It's kind of your entertainment room. And so the intention is, you know, to watch movies here. So this room has a little bit less light, though it does have these shutter doors, you know, the sliders going out to the patio in the family area where we had been earlier, where opposite from the fire pit, this is where the barbecue will be out in this area. But you can close this off and make it dark and have this entertainment area. But as you can see, it could even be a 5th bedroom as well. So this is our property. It's listed by Bonnie Goetz from, she's with Next Home Pacific Coast Realty. And I'm just so fortunate to be able to bring you this open house today to give you a tour of this amazing property. I'm walking you back to the front here so that you can see we've just passed to the bedrooms. We're here again in the kitchen. And one thing I forgot to mention is that we have these skylights. Do you see here? We've got skylights throughout that have remote controls for them, and they actually are in the master bedroom as well. So there's so many amazing features that I didn't necessarily cover with you, like the radiant heat floors in the master bath. Those are amazing. Let's just go back and peek real quick because the skylight I thought was such a great feature that you want to make sure that you take a peek at that. So here you can see the skylight in the master just before you head out. And there is a system in place where they'll close if it starts to rain and things like that. So they are quite intelligent. So this is where your radiant floors are in the master. Who wouldn't love that? Getting out of the bath and having your floors warm already. So this is 2635 Poli Street here in Ventura. And if you're interested in getting an appointment to see it in person, after you've gotten a chance to take a peek here with us, we're back to the living room with the fireplace. And now we're back to the front of this lovely, lovely home. As I said, I'm Roylin Downs with Berkshire Hathaway. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm at 805-850-5443. Look forward to giving you a tour of this lovely home. Thanks so much.